Welcome to the Kingdom of Bhutan. As you prepare to explore our beautiful landscapes and culture, we want to make your payments as seamless as possible. With the BNB myPay app, you can travel light and pay just like a local Bhutanese. One of the best features of myPay is that you don't need to worry about buying a local SIM card right away. You can simply register using your personal email address. Let's get you registered. First, open the application on your phone. On the welcome screen, you will see two options. Go ahead and select Tourist to proceed. Once you've entered your email, check your inbox. We will send you a one-time password. Enter that OTP code here to verify your account. Now, just a few final details. Please enter your full name, date of birth, visa number, and your passport number in the boxes provided. Next, take a quick profile picture of yourself or upload one from your device. Finally, you will also need to upload a photo of your passport document to complete your profile. Make sure the image is clear and all text is readable. Next, it's time to secure your wallet. Create a login password that is easy for you to remember, but secure enough to keep your funds safe. Confirm the password one more time to continue. And that's it! Registration successful. You are now ready to load your wallet and scan QR codes at shops, hotels, and restaurants across Bhutan. Enjoy your stay and happy travels!